Imagine the endless creative possibilities of AI VFX waiting for you. Ready to unleash your inner artist? Dive in and see how this cutting-edge AI is redefining the world of visual effects. That free AI tool has forever transformed the video designing and VFX industry, and these videos are just an illustration of its abilities. There are many innovative things you can do with this AI. So what is this AI tool and what is it capable of? Let us find out. Well, this artificial intelligence tool is called Viggle AI, and this is the website that you can Google yourself easily. Before moving forward, do comment name of any AI tool apart from this that is transforming the video designing and VFX industry the most. To utilize this AI tool, click Join our Discord, and you will be connected to their Discord server. So once we are on the Discord server, on the left side you can see we have some servers, so you can select any one of them. So let's say I'm going to go with the Animate 4, and these are some demonstration videos that people are generating right now. This Viggle AI tool has a lot of features and abilities, but in this video, we're going to focus on the major feature, which is the Mix tool feature because it's pretty outstanding. So first type /mix, and then we get this window here. So we have three alternative options, which are image, video, and background. First, we must choose a picture for this AI to animate. And for example, I chose this cameraman character, which you can download from the Free Pick website. Tell me in comments from which other website I can download free characters like the cameraman used in this example. The next step is to upload the video in which we want this image to move or act. So for example, I have this video of a dancing person, so I'm gonna upload this video and this image will follow the same moves that have been performed in this video. So I hope you get the idea. Now next we have the background option. So here we have two different options, white and a green screen. So I would like to go with a green screen because we can do a lot of creative things with a green screen. Make sure to hit enter and wait for 1 minute to get the result. Okay, so here's the output. And now you can see this cameraman boy cartoon character is actually dancing like our video character, and obviously you can remove the green screen and place this character wherever you want. But this is a very simple thing, and how we can achieve the results that you saw in the beginning of this video, like turning any body into an alien or a monster or whatever thing you want. So for that, you have to follow a few short and simple steps. So first, choose your source video, Google Pexels, and open their website. Search for any video you want, and in my example, this will be my source video, which is a woman smiling while running, and the next step will be to remove this subject from it, which we will do using Runway ML. Don't worry, it won't cost you anything. We can test a few things for free. So on the left side, you can see the ability to edit videos. So simply click on that, and we'll get permission to use all of Runway ML's video tools. So we have to choose the in-painting option. Now simply upload your source video. In my specific case, I have already uploaded my video, so I'll just drag and drop here. So after some kind of processing, it's ready to use. So on the right side, you can see we have two options, include and exclude. Well, you can even increase or decrease the brush size. So select the include option and adjust the brush size accordingly, and now simply paint your main subject. So once you are done, this will start doing the in-painting. Well, after a few seconds, our major subject has been extracted from our source video. So if I play this video, you'll notice that our character has been deleted. So once you're finished, click the export button, and to find your file, click go to export, where you'll see all of your exported files. Just download your file and we're done. Now in the next step, we have to create a similar character, and for that, just open your source video and take a screenshot of our still frame where you think that the character is fully visible. So once done, go to the Lens Go AI. Well, this is also a free AI tool, and from here, select the Create Image option. So now in the prompt box, upload your screenshot that we have taken from the video. So this image will be used as a reference image. Now in the prompt section, you can type whatever you want to create. So in my case, this will be a light blue bald alien woman. Hit generate. So these are the output images. You can select any one of them. So I would like to go with this one and hit the download button. Now the next step is to capture the motion, and for that we're going to get back to the Viggle AI and type /mix. And now in the image section, we have to upload our alien image that we have just created. And in the video section, you have to upload your main original source video. Once done, in the background section, select green screen and hit enter. Okay, so here is the output, and now you can see it captured the exact same motion from our original video. And this is very crazy because just look at the movement and motion and how accurate it actually is. Now we are almost done. So simply download your video. The next task is to mix these videos together. So for that, you can use any of your favorite video editor. In my scenario, I'm using CapCut because it's free and available on all devices, including Android, iOS, and desktop. This makes it incredibly simple and convenient. Simply import your inpainted file and wiggling AI file. Yeah, I've already imported both of them. Now just import your inpainted file in the timeline first, and then your Wiggle AI video file, and just drag your green screen video on the top of our inpainted video. And now just select your green screen video and click on the cutout and select the chroma key, and then select this color picker tool and select the green color from the video. And now just move this strength slider and adjust this accordingly where you feel it looks perfect. Now you can slightly change the position of girl as well. Increase the size of the girl. So I think it looks good here. And now if I play this video, you can see our character has been replaced with this alien character. I know there are a few issues with this one, but this is just to give you an idea how this thing works. So right now the Wiggle AI tool is totally free to use. This is in beta, and I don't know how long this will be free because this kind of technology can't be free. So make sure to test this AI, and that's it from this video. I hope you guys learned something new. I hope that you guys did give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.